In this video we are going to see if else statements. So in the last video we have covered for the if statements. So these are all decision making statements or conditional statements. So in the last video what we have discussed, so we have discussed like if this condition is true, like here we have parked the condition, right? So we have placed the condition and this is the if block, and right, if this condition is true, if this is true, then only execution is performed. Now there is an extension for this if statement. So if this condition is false, so there is a second option, right? So every situation will have two phases. So for every situation, like in this scenario, we have two phases, right? Like it is like true and it is like false. So if it is a true means we need to perform some operations, right? So if it is a false, we need to perform some operation. Now for the if it is a true means okay, it is successfully we are completing this true operation. So then what is about the false statement, right? So if it is a false means then we are need to go with the else statement. So if there is an operation with false, if the condition is false, if there is an operation with false, then you need to go with the else block. So if this is a false, so if this is the if false means it will comes into the else block, divide by 2 and leaving remainder 0. So if it is a true, then it is a even number, right? So if it is a false means it is like odd number. So the false block we need to keep inside the else, like the true block we need to keep in the if. Okay, now complete the program over here, like else, we need to open the else and we need to close the else, right? Else, copy this statement and paste over here, change it to the odd. Okay, odd. Now when I run this, here again it is asking the enter the number. So now let us go for the true statement only. Let us give the 20. 20 divided by 2 leaves remaining 0. It is an even number. Okay, again when I run the program, now I am changing to 21. So 21 is odd, so we need to get the output as odd number. Let us check by pressing enter. Okay, it is an odd number, right? So this is all about the if else statement. Again in the last video we have tried for the vote eligibility. Now same program convert to if else, like if the person is not eligible, print to the message like you are not eligible in the else block. Okay, so that's all for this video. I think you got the clear idea on if else. Thank you for watching this.